Eventually, after traveling for a long time, Blue started to feel tired. He misses his cozy nest back in the forest, and he was ready to come home. So he spread his wings one last time and flew back to his beloved forest. As he flew back home, he encountered a huge thunderstorm. The wind was so strong that Blue was struggling to stay in the air. Lightning flashed all around him, and he was scared. He had never experienced anything like this before. Just when Blue thought he was done for, he saw a group of birds flying towards him.